1. Hamza here, and I'm thrilled to share a deep dive into my latest project, a malware detection web application. In this video, I'll walk you through every aspect, from file uploads to machine learning and everything in between. So, let's jump right into the details. At the heart of this project is a cutting-edge malware detection web app. Users can upload Android application packages, APKs, and with the magic of Flask and Python, we extract vital permissions. It's a crucial step in understanding and identifying potential malware threats. Let's talk permissions. We dive deep into the APKs, extracting permissions that shed light on what actions an application can perform. This insight is fundamental in our quest to identify and classify potential malware. But wait, there's more. We've implemented a machine learning model that evaluates these extracted permissions. It's the brains behind classifying files as either malware or benign. The future of malware detection is here. Users get a clear and concise result, showing whether the uploaded APK is classified as malware or benign. The intuitive interface makes the whole process user-friendly and accessible. Now let's open the web app and try to upload some app file. For this purpose, I have downloaded a malicious APK file from filescan.io website. At first it was blocked by Windows Defender because it is a malware file, so I turned off my antivirus for some time. After that I have uploaded the same APK file to my malware detection app. Click on Choose File button to upload any APK file. Under 3 seconds the system accurately detected the APK file as malicious. Now for the benign or legitimate file, I have downloaded APK from Android Play Store and uploaded those APK for malware detection. The system accurately classified them as benign. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!